Irritable Bowel Syndrome, or IBS, is a common yet often misunderstood digestive disorder. Affecting millions worldwide, IBS is responsible for nearly 40% of all visits to gastroenterologists. It's a functional bowel disorder, meaning the symptoms are real but not explained by any visible disease or damage. People with IBS often experience frequent abdominal discomfort, bloating, and changes in bowel habits. While it can cause significant distress, IBS does not permanently harm the intestines. The impact varies widely, from mild inconvenience to severe disruption of daily life. Let's explore what makes IBS unique and how it affects those living with it. Understand IBS. It helps to know how the gut normally functions. Waste moves through the colon by muscle contractions called peristalsis. These rhythmic contractions push material forward, allowing the body to absorb nutrients and eliminate waste efficiently. In IBS, this process is disrupted by spasms, causing discomfort, pain, and irregular bowel movements. These spasms can make daily life unpredictable and uncomfortable for those affected. Understanding this basic mechanism is key to grasping why IBS symptoms can be so varied and challenging. IBS is not a single disease, but a syndrome, a group of symptoms that occur together. Common signs include abdominal pain, cramping, bloating, excess gas, constipation, diarrhea, and even mucus in the stool. Some people feel a constant urge to go, while others struggle with incomplete bowel movements. Nausea, headaches, back pain, and even urinary symptoms can also be present. Emotional symptoms like anxiety and depression are common, highlighting the gut-brain connection. Symptoms can fluctuate, sometimes improving or disappearing, only to return later. IBS is classified into 4 main types based on bowel movement patterns: IBS-D, Diarrhea-Predominant, IBS-C, Constipation-Predominant, IBS-M mixed, and IBS-U unsubtyped. IBS-D involves frequent, urgent diarrhea, while IBS-C is marked by hard stools and infrequent bowel movements. IBS-M alternates between diarrhea and constipation, and IBS-U doesn't fit neatly into any category. Recognizing your type is important for finding the right management strategy. About a third of IBS sufferers have IBS-D, where diarrhea is the main issue. This type is characterized by frequent, loose stools, abdominal pain, and a sense of urgency. Other symptoms include gas, bloating, and mucus in the stool. While acute diarrhea is often caused by infections, persistent symptoms may point to IBS-D, food sensitivities, or other underlying conditions. Managing IBS-D often requires dietary changes and careful attention to triggers. IBS-C affects another third of those with IBS. This type is marked by chronic constipation, hard or lumpy stools, and the need to strain during bowel movements. People with IBS-C may have fewer than 3 bowel movements per week, along with abdominal pain, bloating, and a sensation of blockage. Managing IBS-C often involves increasing dietary fiber, hydration, and sometimes specific supplements to promote regularity. People experience both diarrhea and constipation, known as IBS-M or IBS-A. Their symptoms alternate, making management more complex. Others don't fit neatly into any category and are classified as IBS-U regardless of type. All forms of IBS can significantly impact quality of life. Understanding your unique symptom pattern is the first step toward effective management. There's no single test for IBS. Diagnosis is based on a pattern of symptoms, such as abdominal pain for at least 12 weeks in the past year, relief with bowel movements, and changes in stool frequency or appearance. Doctors rule out other conditions before confirming IBS. This process can take years, adding to frustration for many patients. Accurate diagnosis is essential for proper treatment and peace of mind. Exact cause of IBS isn't fully understood, but several factors can trigger or worsen symptoms. Poor diet, food sensitivities, celiac disease, intestinal inflammation, stress, and infections all play a role. Highly processed foods, refined sugars, and toxic oils can inflame the gut. Emotional trauma and stress are also significant contributors, highlighting the importance of a holistic approach to management. Many people with IBS have food sensitivities, which can trigger immune responses and inflammation. Common culprits include gluten, dairy, corn, soy, nuts, eggs, and nightshades. Repeated exposure can damage the gut lining, leading to leaky gut, where undigested particles enter the bloodstream, causing more inflammation and digestive issues. Identifying and removing trigger foods is a key step in managing IBS. The gut is home to trillions of microbes, forming a delicate balance known as the microbiome. In IBS, this balance is often disrupted, a condition called dysbiosis. When harmful bacteria outnumber the beneficial ones, symptoms can worsen. Probiotics and targeted supplements can help restore balance, supporting gut health and reducing IBS symptoms over time. Pinpoint food sensitivities, specialized blood tests like the ImuPro Food Panel can be helpful. This test measures IgG antibodies to various foods, helping identify triggers. However, results should always be interpreted with a healthcare professional, as not all positive results indicate a true problem. Elimination diets based on these tests can lead to significant symptom improvement for many people with IBS. One of the most recommended products for IBS is Herbal Fiberblend. This blend combines fiber with 19 cleansing herbs to detoxify the gut, bind toxins, and promote regular bowel movements. It's not habit-forming and can be used long-term to maintain gut health. Herbal Fiberblend helps remove parasites, mucus, and waste, supporting the healing process from the inside out. Healing IBS is a journey, often broken into phases. Phase I focuses on healing and restoring the gut lining, calming inflammation, and addressing dysbiosis. Phase II opens drainage and detoxifies the lymphatic system, while Phase III targets parasites and ongoing gut health. Each phase involves specific supplements, dietary changes, and stress management techniques. This structured approach helps rebuild gut health step by step. Stress is a major factor in IBS. It can disrupt gut motility, alter the microbiome, and increase inflammation. The gut and brain are closely connected, so managing stress is crucial for symptom control. Techniques like mindfulness, relaxation, and targeted supplements such as passion flower can help reduce stress and support gut health. Addressing both physical and emotional triggers offers the best chance for lasting relief. Many with IBS have low stomach acid or insufficient digestive enzymes, leading to poor digestion and nutrient absorption. Taking digestive enzymes with meals can ease symptoms, reduce inflammation, and improve nutrient uptake. Hydration is equally important. Drinking enough clean, filtered water helps keep the bowels moving and supports overall gut health. Simple habits like chewing food well and eating in a relaxed environment can make a big difference. IBS is a complex condition with many contributing factors, but understanding its mechanisms empowers you to take control. Through dietary changes, targeted supplements, stress management, and professional guidance, many people find significant relief. Remember, every gut is unique. What works for one may not work for another. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making major changes. With patience and persistence, healing is possible.
Welcome. Today I'll show you exactly how to join Beautique and make your first purchase. I'll guide you through every step, from choosing your account type to completing your order. Start by opening the main menu to explore our mission and the products section. You can join as a customer for rewards or as a member to start your own business. The sign-up form is straightforward. Just enter your contact details and shipping information. Members will also provide a few extra details to set up their independent distributorship. Once registered, browse our full catalog and select the high-quality products you'd like to try. Once logged in, simply find your favorite products, add them to your cart, and click Checkout Now to complete your order. You're now ready to start your journey with Beautique. We're excited to have you with us.